very stable and consistent platform that we've been working with and exhibiting at since the last few years, and I think over the last 7 years they've really transformed the way the shows are managed and the kind of people that walk in. I think it's a great platform to meet a lot of good people, good buyers, and really talk to them and show them what the whole portfolio that we have. This edition has been exceptionally good because I think besides us getting buyers, we were also able to go and meet vendors who are into display units and many other innovations that we need to promote our brands better. So that's one of the reasons why this year the exhibition was way better.
Gets us in touch with all the top people in the industry, and we learn. In fact, from all our colleagues, we learn so much. I've learned so much from this session that I've just been in about management and what should we do, what are the pain points of our industry, what are the growth points, the innovative points, and what we are going to do in future. It was a real wonderful eye-opener, and I loved this Congress, and I really loved my session.
I see more and more professionals connecting, more and more market trends that I get to see, and I think this show is something that has now become a pioneer in makeup industry, and I cannot miss this show at any instant. And the kind of audience that I get, the kind of professionals that I meet, the kind of market trends that I learn from is something that helps us to grow our business, understand the consumer, and portray our products in that manner. I think it's been a beautiful journey with them, and I hope to keep coming to PB again and again. Thank you so much.
Which is all about employee costs and how do you retain your employees and how do you handle employees in this fast growing industry. So I think the session has been very, very interesting. I personally, after 15 years of experience also, have picked up 1 or 2 points, and I would urge that each one of us who are in the space, in this lovely industry of beauty, which is doing phenomenally well, listen and attend these conferences, listen and attend these exhibitions so that there's learning for all of us and we all grow up to be better beauty salon operators. So thank you very much.
I represent Streets Professional. My name is Joakim and I'm Swedish, and I've been here many times. I've been spending a lot of times in Delhi doing a lot of stuff, but the phenomenalness of the show, so many people, the advancement of learning and everything that is happening in this building at this moment is absolutely fantastic to witness. So I'm very grateful to be part of it and represent a wonderful company that does a lot of impact for the industry. So thank you very much, you guys.
From Italy, I'm Paolo Guatelli. I'm here as a makeup designer to launch and to present my brand. Professional Beauty has been a very interesting exhibition, and I'll be glad to come back soon. Bye everybody. Ciao in Italy. Ciao.